Hey guys, it's Pogo Puff, and today I will be doing a squishy collection video showing you not all of my squishies because I lost some, but mostly. This is a lemon. I will not be telling you guys where it's from because, you know. So yeah, there's a lemon. This is a basketball. It's not that slow rising. This is not really a squishy. And this is a little dog. This is a squirrel wrapped in a blanket, and that's not a strawberry. That is a tail. So yeah, this is a cake. It's very slow rising, very slow rising. This one has a bunch of defects, but don't order it from Amazon because that's where it's from. Just telling you where that one's from. This is Billy, I think, the whale. Billy, yeah. This is a panda bun. This is a cake. It has some defects like that. See, like, if I were to rip it like that, it would happen. I just ripped it.
Yes.
That's what it looks like on the inside. Sticky. But there it is. This is not really even a squishy either. I don't really know why I have it in my squishy collection.
Yes.
But yeah.
Everybody does it though.
This one is not, it's kind of a squishy. It's very, very soft and fun to play with, and it has like a little strawberry detailing. This is a baseball. This is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yeah. Oh yeah, Pogo Pal is not here today. This is March 19th, 2018. Yeah. Hold on, yeah, okay. Somebody just sent a text because I filmed with a phone and I was reading it. It's not really squishy. I have a lot of squishies that aren't squishies. It's weird. This is a koala bear in a teacup, and it's very dense. And it's kind of hard. This one smells so good. It's a milk carton. This is a rainbow. This is one of my favorite squishies of all time. Because it's just so soft. This one is a homemade squishy. I'm not going to show you what it says because it says something that is here. It looks like this on the bottom. This is my Galaxy cupcake. It's a homemade squishy. There you go. This one got messed up, but it's also a homemade squishy. This one is a homemade squishy. I have a lot of homemade squishies. This one is, I'm not even sure what this is, but it's a Shopkins squishy. This is my second cake. It kind of smells like chocolate, but now it just smells like sweat and hands. It's disgusting now. This is a Cutie Creative tooth. And it came in a really, really cute bag. But it also came with some toothpaste. Hold on, you guys. Here it is. The toothpaste smells so good and it's so slow rising. So all of these 3 right here match. This one's a cutie creative milk carton. This one's a tooth, and this one's toothpaste. Because there's like a pattern here. It's like taking care of your teeth. Like this one is a tooth. You put toothpaste on your tooth, and then if you drink milk, it makes your teeth stronger. So I thought that was kind of cool, so I just ordered it. This is ice cream. I'm running out of time for my video because I'm supposed to be done at a certain time. So I'm just gonna empty out all of my squishies and kind of spread them out, so then I can just walk around and show you what I have. But I'm gonna show you this up close. Millie. This is an exclusive strawberry. Right there. So there's where I film, right there. And this is what's left over. Here. There's some unicorns, cinnamon rolls, donuts, waffles. There's this little cute thing. There's a pig and a little floaty. And there's a pineapple, a unicorn. It smells so amazing. There's another like ice cream cone. There's this. And this is all the ones that I've showed you already. And that's a fairy door. And if you open this fairy door, it just has a picture in it. Yeah, I don't know if y'all got, if you guys could see that, but I'm going to turn off my lamp. I don't know where. Okay, there we go. And bye, guys.